So hi team, this is a video demo from our client complaining that this ID is not searchable on Virtual Office. So I found the error here. So let's get uh, the email address for this contact. So let's replicate the issue here. So here, as you can see, I'm using the email and just provide me this information. When I click this, it returns to 0. Okay, but when you search this user on the prospect list, it is showing. So what I'm doing here is, what I did here is I add a number here so that it will show 500 names under the list. As you can see, this prospect can be found on the list. So this is the one. This is the email. Okay. So I found the error. The reason it cannot be found when searching a member or a prospect. I'm sorry, because as you can notice here, I'm viewing the prospect list, but when I search the email, I'm sorry, the email of this prospect, if you can observe, this viewing prospect will switch to partner. Okay, so let's try that. So I'm on the prospect here, uh, checking the email, and as you can see, it is switching to partner. This is the reason it is showing no results here, because the email address belongs to a prospect, not to a partner. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Go back to prospect, search here. As you can see, it's showing now because I switch it. So the user experience should not be like that. When you search a prospect here, it should not switch to partner. So this is not very good for the user. Go back and click this. Okay, so this is the error. When searching a prospect, a contact on the prospect list, it will switch to partner. Okay, that's it. Thank you.